Hi viewers, welcome to the first video of this section, Monitoring Infrastructure and Applications. The main purpose of this section is to describe the need of continuous monitoring and its significance in the end-to-end automation process in the context of DevOps culture development. This section covers different aspects of monitoring, such as cloud resources, application server, and application monitoring to increase services, and application availability. Now we move on to the first video of this section, Getting Started, Monitoring. In this video, you will learn about the importance of monitoring, and you will also learn to notify the respective stakeholders for corrective measures. Let's begin with a simple definition of monitoring, and then we will gradually move towards cloud monitoring. The main thing here is about observing progress of some operation or activities performed and to make sure that end goal or performance objectives are achieved as desired. It ends its area from observing to analysis, from analysis to detection, and from detection to notifications to respective stakeholders for corrective measures. In general, what kind of monitoring do we need in traditional environment? Just consider a component of cloud service model to understand it in a better perspective. In cloud computing, there are three service models. The first one is infrastructure as a service, next one is platform as a service, and the last one is software as a service. To get a clue from it, it is extremely important to monitor infrastructure as well as platform running web application. Let's take a case of AWS EC2 instance that can be used to deploy the sample Spring application, Pet Clinic. You need to ensure that instance is running properly, Tomcat server is performing well, memory consumption, CPU utilization, and so on. The next level is to monitor application itself. Application security monitoring and performance monitoring is extremely critical to make an application highly available and avoid failures. Monitoring strategy has to be end-to-end to be effective. It should be in place at the time of design and not the afterthought. Prevention is always better than cure, and it avoids cost implications. Roll back to last successful builds and last-minute headaches. Nice! Now you've learnt the basics of monitoring. It's important, and you've also learnt to notify the corrective measures to respective stakeholders.